bi-monthly YouTube videos on my channel, which seems to be the case. Today we're working on Charlie's Falcon for the first time in ever. He has coilovers on at the moment, but they're blown petters. So we're going to be getting rid of those and replacing them with some brand new MCAs. And then we'll put some spacers on to clean up this junk fitment. Thoughts?
Pretty stoked.
Yeah, should be good.
Jesus. There we go.
First coilover in. It was literally like 3 bolts, 2 bolts. And we just had to drop the rear spring that sits on the perch here. Because apparently, this system replaces it. Let her down. Right, it's going to be so high. Ooh, drop it, drop it, drop it. Oh wow. I told you it'd be a good idea to drop the side. That already is looking like it'll tuck fine.
Christian's calling me. Fuck it, I know it's wrong. TDs.
Fucking hell.
Wow.
He's like, no thanks.
Shit.
Science. The good old Barocca drop. Not too long and we should have a finished Falcon. Take it for a drive, get some lunch, and then we'll need to do some height adjustments in a couple of days and get this thing looking pretty. This is the old petters on the left. The fronts were fine, it was just the back shock that was leaking. And then these are the new MCAs with the blacked out stealth option, because New South Wales Highway Patrol don't like modified cars. I think that height might be sweet.
Yeah, I reckon it is, hey.
Because the back will sink. That's it, we got it all done. You've probably seen like a million coilover installs, so I didn't film like all of it. But basically what we did is we chucked in some MCAs. What were they? What spec are they?
Purple.
Alright, MCA purples basically. Stealthed out with the black option for New South Wales Highway Patrol. And 20mm spacers all around. So, I mean, we'll let it sink and then may need to tend to height later, but it looks pretty good. Nice.
Fuck, he was
staring at the camera. Not today, motherfuckers. I don't think I filmed his like actual reaction, but he was dead. He saw the camera.
Crazy.
Huh?
It's an A.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, gross. You can't see it, but I was trying to get. There's an S15 there. What a goose. I got a new mic, so hopefully you can tell the difference in sound quality. I know at the start it was like knocking and making a bunch of weird noises, but hopefully I fixed that. I think it was like the little gimbal I was using. Hopefully it sounds alright. My chair just clicked. Oh my god, this guy's going like 20 k's an hour through the racetrack.
There's nothing to do. There's no racetrack anymore.
Oh shit. Oh. Keep that right on. That's way better. And then this side's come down. Yeah, dude, they're dead even. Yeah. How's that final look?
more to this. Shit, it gotta be something else. It gotta be more than wealth. It gotta be more than health. It gotta be better places. Reunite with familiar faces. For that day I'll be waiting. For that day I'll be waiting. Just gotta stay patient.